In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to use Navan to book train tickets. Whether you're new to Navan or just looking for a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the simple steps to get your tickets booked with ease. Stick around until the end, because I've got a special bonus for you that'll make using Navan even easier. First off, Navan is an all-in-one travel platform that allows users to book trains, flights, hotels, and more, all in one place. It's designed to make travel planning as seamless as possible, especially when you're on the go. To get started with booking train tickets on Navan, you'll need to first create an account or log in to your existing account. Don't worry if you're new to this, getting set up is quick, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll do is head to the train section. This is where all the magic happens. Simply enter your departure and destination cities, along with your preferred travel date. Navan will give you a list of available train routes, along with departure times, travel durations, and prices. You'll see everything in one easy-to-read format, so you can compare options and choose the best one for you. If you're unsure about which train to take, Navan provides filters so you can narrow down your choices based on factors like price, duration, or train class. You can even choose whether you want to see direct trains only or include transfers if you're open to that option. This feature makes it super easy to customize your search to fit your preferences. Once you've selected your train, click on it to see more details. You'll be able to check the schedule, seat availability, and additional options like luggage and amenities. This is the part where Navan really shines, giving you all the information you need up front. Now, to actually book your ticket, just click the Book Now button. You'll be prompted to enter your payment information, credit card, PayPal, or even other options, depending on what Navan supports in your region. Once you've entered your details and confirmed your booking, you'll receive a confirmation email with your train ticket and you're all set. But here's the best part. You can also use Navan to manage your bookings. If something changes or you need to adjust your trip, you can easily make changes or cancel bookings directly through the platform. It's that simple. For those of you who are new to Navan or haven't used it before, I want to make it easy for you. You can actually try out this software completely free using the exclusive link in the description below. This means you can explore all the features of Navan, including booking your train tickets, without any upfront cost. But make sure to watch until the end, because I've got even more exciting news about an extended free trial you can take advantage of. Navan makes booking train tickets easier than ever, and with the streamlined interface and powerful features, it's quickly become one of the best tools for travelers. It's not just about booking trains though. Navan gives you the flexibility to book a whole trip, from flights to hotels to car rentals, all within the same platform. If you're a frequent traveler or just someone looking to book a simple train journey, Navan's the way to go. And as a bonus for watching until the end, I want to share that you can get an exclusive extended free trial of the software through the link below. This will allow you to get the most out of Navan without worrying about paying up front. Thanks for watching and happy travels with Navan.